This is super exciting. We have on our newest land purchase here in the North Project, cedar trees. And cedar trees have basically been logged to extinction in the Amazon rainforest. And one of the things our forest rangers are doing is they're collecting the seeds from these cedar trees, and then they can take them to our nursery. They have to go through it, find the good ones, and then plant them in our nursery, and we're going to grow a whole bunch of new cedar trees and plant them back in the forest. This is such an amazing project.